we just bring the fullness of our attention to right here and right now, to this moment. This is the one moment we are given. This is the moment that walks with us, that talks with us. This is the moment that births our reality. So we are awake. We are aware, we are willing. Let us see the sweetness of this moment so that we may experience its fullness. Right here, right now, right where we are. We take a deep breath in and a complete release. As we acknowledge the power of the practice, the power of the unity way, the power of mindfulness in our lives and in this experience we call life. So we step apart for a while. We set aside the worries and concerns, our perceptions and our perspectives, thinking that we know what we know, thinking that we have things to do, things to solve, things to resolve. We just breathe with the commitment to be awake, aware, receptive, and responsive. Remembering that this is all that is ever asked of us. Grateful for this practice. We say namaste.